Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by positioning the car for the reset. Make sure ignition is OFF, but the key or fob is with you and doors are closed to prevent interruptions. You press and hold the trip or reset button on the instrument cluster. This primes the cluster to accept a command. While still holding the button, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. This sequence places the system into reset mode so the oil life indicator can be cleared securely. Once the cluster is awake, use that same trip button to cycle through the display until you see the oil life or remaining oil screen. This tells the body control module what you intend to change. When the oil life percentage appears, press and hold the button until the percentage either blinks or counts down. This is the module acknowledging the reset. Release the button and then press once to confirm. You should see 100% or a reset confirmation. This sequence writes the new value into memory. To finish, turn the ignition OFF, then start the engine and verify the oil life shows 100% or the service light is gone. If the reset did not take, repeat the procedure ensuring the engine remained off and the battery voltage is healthy, below 12. 4 volts can prevent module writes. Once done, make sure any scheduled maintenance records are updated. If the light returns or an error persists, there may be a stored body control module or can bus fault. Retrieve codes or see a
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.